What happens to your body when you do 100 push-ups every day? One of the most efficient exercises for muscle building is the push-up. Numerous individuals challenge themselves to perform 100 push-ups a day for 30 days and witness significant results. Have you ever wondered whether performing push-ups every day aids in muscle growth? In this video, I will address these inquiries and provide valuable insights. Therefore, watch the video until the end, as it will undoubtedly pique your interest. Let's begin. Doing 100 push-ups every day can have several effects on your body. First, your chest muscles, as well as your deltoids, triceps, and biceps, will improve, and you may notice visible changes in the way they look. Additionally, your endurance will increase, making it easier for you to handle other physical activities. You may also experience improvements in your respiratory and cardiovascular systems. Doing push-ups can release endorphins in your body, leading to an increase in overall cheerfulness. However, it's important to be cautious about overtraining. Doing push-ups to failure every day can lead to the release of catabolic hormones, and your muscles may not have enough time to fully recover. This can result in overloading the same muscle groups, which can cause injury. It's recommended to do push-ups at no more than 80% of your maximum capacity and to split up the sets to avoid overtraining. Proper form and technique are also important to avoid injury. Development of target muscle groups. The first point is the development of target muscle groups. To begin with, let's focus on the chest muscles. The internet is inundated with tales of individuals achieving remarkable improvements in their pectoral muscles within a mere 30 days. Additionally, their deltoids, triceps, and biceps showed significant progress as well. This seems somewhat paradoxical since the triceps and biceps are antagonistic muscles. One may question how these two muscles can work together. The triceps are responsible for extending the arm at the elbow, which is precisely the effort we make during push-ups. The biceps, which generally flex the arm at the elbow, have a different function in this exercise. Its role in push-ups is to bring the shoulder to the body. It's worth noting that push-ups are a multi-joint basic exercise that effectively works out nearly half of the upper body. Push-ups increase endurance. Apart from the visible changes reflected in the mirror, you can also expect an increase in endurance, making it easier to withstand other physical strains. Moreover, your respiratory and cardiovascular systems will function more efficiently. Additionally, performing push-ups regularly can significantly boost the production of endorphins in your body, leaving you feeling happier and more optimistic. Expediency of daily push-ups. Is it advisable to perform push-ups to failure every day, where a person does several sets until exhaustion? Or is it acceptable for someone who rarely performs push-ups to do 10 or more sets to meet a daily goal of 100 push-ups? In reality, performing push-ups to failure every day is not recommended as it may lead to overtraining. This approach can significantly increase the release of catabolic hormones, and the muscles may not have sufficient time to recover fully. Push-ups are relatively intense exercises that can quickly switch to anaerobic mode, resulting in overloading the same muscle group for an extended period. Instead, it is recommended to perform push-ups at no more than 80% of one's maximum capacity and to do so daily. This routine will tone your muscles and cardiovascular system effectively. When performed daily, push-ups are an excellent addition to your morning workout routine, offering numerous benefits. Your arms, shoulders, and chest will become significantly more muscular, tighter, stronger, and more resilient than the average person of your age. Furthermore, daily push-ups are also great for improving blood circulation, heart health, and breathing, ultimately contributing to your overall health and longevity. How to do push-ups correctly. When performing push-ups, it is crucial to pay attention to the position of your pelvis and be mindful of your body's movement. To achieve the correct form, your body should form a flat, straight line, with your buttocks and head neither protruding nor sagging. Another important aspect is the 90-degree rule, where your arms should form a right angle with your body when lowering down and extend almost to the end when pushing up. Keep your head straight, gaze at the floor, and focus on maintaining proper form throughout the exercise. Furthermore, there are various push-up variations to choose from, such as performing them on your palms or fists. For those seeking a more challenging workout, elevating your feet during push-ups can increase the intensity. One more thing. One point worth noting is that many people who have attempted to do 100 push-ups every day have found that it's not necessarily difficult to do 100 push-ups at once, but it can be challenging to do them every day. This is partly due to the psychological aspect of the challenge. If you decide to do 100 push-ups every day, it's better to divide the total number into smaller sets, such as 5 sets of 20 reps. It's not recommended to do sets until failure every day. If doing 100 push-ups a day seems too challenging, it's advisable to start with a lower number, such as 20 push-ups a day, divided into several sets. Although there are many videos on the internet where people do 100 push-ups a day for 30 days and achieve impressive results, it's important to avoid overtraining and take a wise approach to push-ups to maintain good health. So, to answer the question, is it worth doing push-ups? Yes, but it's important to do them sensibly. How many push-ups should you do in a day? Push-ups are a widely recognized and favored exercise for building upper body and core strength. As a bodyweight exercise, push-ups require no equipment and can be performed virtually anywhere. They are a comprehensive workout that can help strengthen key muscle groups such as the arms, chest, shoulders, and abs. However, it's essential to ensure you're performing push-ups effectively and not just mindlessly doing repetitions. Push-ups are a highly effective exercise for building strength, but it's important to strike a balance between overdoing and underdoing them. While push-ups may be challenging to perform, with regular practice, they can be mastered. For beginners, especially those who are overweight, the exercise can be particularly difficult. However, it's essential to start with what you can do, even if it's just a couple of push-ups initially, and gradually work towards improving your performance. There is no fixed limit to the number of push-ups one can do in a day, and some people can perform more than 300 push-ups daily. However, for an average person, performing 50 to 100 push-ups daily should be sufficient to maintain good upper body strength, provided they are executed correctly. Beginning with 20 push-ups is a good start, but it's crucial to continue increasing the number to challenge your body. If you consistently do 20 push-ups for an extended period of time, your muscles will become accustomed to the routine and will stop growing. It's recommended to aim for 3 sets of 12 reps each day to gain muscle strength. Things to keep in mind. To derive benefits from this exercise, it is crucial to perform it in the correct manner, as an incorrect form of exercise will not yield any benefits. When doing push-ups, it is crucial to maintain proper form to reap the benefits of the exercise. To do so, keep your back straight, similar to a plank position, and maintain a straight spine when lowering your body towards the ground. If your back is arched or your shoulders are hunched, you could be hindering your progress. Even if you complete a high number of push-ups, incorrect form will not be beneficial and could lead to injury. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.